the definition of a component manufacturer can vary depending on your perspective. So in this case, a component or assembly manufacturer is really anybody who's taking any kind of materials, like from smelters, fabricators, chemical providers, or maybe even article providers or even other components from other companies, and fabricating components that are used as subparts of final products, either in the electronics industry, like IT consumer products, or maybe automotive products, medical devices, or some other regulational field, right? So electronics are showing up everywhere, from wearable electronics and textiles to, intelligent systems and ships. So these things are all kind of requiring this kind of attention. So anybody who's providing components or materials to these final products are considered components of those products.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensoft.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.